Gary the Giraffe's Sneezing Spree. Gary the Giraffe had a problem. He couldn't stop sneezing. Every time he sneezed, Aku! Trees shook, birds flew away, and even elephants tripped. The jungle animals had a meeting. Monkey said, "Gary, you need to control your nose." Gary tried covering his mouth with leaves. Didn't work. He wore a scarf. Didn't help. He even tied a balloon to his nose. It popped. Boom. Finally, Dr. Owl said, You're allergic to pollen." Gary started wearing flower-free perfume. And guess what? No more sneezes. But now, everyone missed his funny Aku that made jungle mornings exciting. So, Gary sneezed just once every Sunday for fun. Learning, sometimes our problems can bring joy to others. Be proud of who you are and take care of your health.